Welcome back, little explorers! Today, we're heading off to discover some of the most hidden and extraordinary animal homes on Earth. Grab your explorer hats. It's time for Animal Adventures, Cozy Homes Across Continents, Part 3. Meerkats, South Africa. In the hot Kalahari Desert of South Africa, look at those playful meerkats popping out of their sandy underground tunnels. These tunnels keep them cool and safe from predators. Hermit crab, Caribbean. Next, on the sunny beaches of the Caribbean islands, a clever hermit crab carries its home on its back, a colorful seashell shelter it changes as it grows. Tree frog, Costa Rica. High up in the rainforests of Costa Rica, a bright green tree frog rests in a soft leaf nest near a pond. A leafy cradle keeps its eggs safe from harm. Bowerbird, Australia. In the wilds of Australia, an artistic bowerbird builds a twig bower and decorates it with blue treasures, nature's own art gallery. Armadillo, Brazil. Down on the ground in Brazil, the armadillo digs a snug burrow to sleep in. If danger comes, it rolls up like a ball. Its armor keeps it safe. Puffins, Iceland. On the grassy sea cliffs of Iceland, colorful puffins waddle back to their cliffside burrows with fish for their chicks. Such super parents! And almost everywhere on Earth, a bustling ant colony thrives underground. Thousands of ants working together to build tunnels, store food, and protect their queen. Wow, little explorers! From sandy tunnels to seashells, leaf nests to cliffside burrows, nature is full of cozy, clever, and surprising homes. And remember, when we care for nature, picking up trash, planting trees, and saving water, we help protect these amazing homes too. Kids, you must watch Animal Adventures, Cozy Homes Across Continents Part 1 and Part 2 to see even more amazing homes. And to watch Parts 4 and 5, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Until next time, keep exploring, keep wondering, and keep loving our animal friends. Bye-bye!